Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars here in St. Charles, Missouri, and today I have a pretty special car to show off to you guys. This is a 1969 Chevy Camaro SS, and no, this is not an SS clone, this is a real Camaro SS. This has the numbers matching 396, the original Turbo 400 automatic transmission, and a 12-volt rear end with 307 gears and positive traction. As you can see, the outside is in beautiful Garnet Red. Got the hideaway headlights on the front, the chrome bumpers with the bumperettes, the splitter on the bottom, the 14-inch Camaro SS wheels that look incredible on the car. Let me pop the hood real quick. Even got the SS in the grill here, of course. There's that beautiful 396 big block. Power brakes on this one as well, power steering, even air conditioning. Yeah, this thing is awesome. I absolutely love this car. It runs as good as it looks too. In fact, let me start it up real quick. I've had it sitting out here for a minute. I try to do cold starts on all of our cars so that everyone can see how they start up cold. You can see the awesome black vinyl bucket seats right now as well. The back seats are in equally nice condition as the front. Nice SS steering wheel with the faux wood, and you got the faux wood down there as well. You got the radio there, the factory controls with, yes, AC, as it says up there. The dash is in beautiful condition. The horseshoe shifter down here for the automatic, and the gauge cluster that these first-gen Camaros are known for down there. Let's put the key in, maybe just a couple pumps. I mean, how easy was that? This one's got a tack as well, as you can see. Clock here in the middle, and speedometer over there on the left. As you can see, temperature has not moved. This was indeed a cold start. Battery's looking good, fuel is great, oil pressure is fantastic down there. Got the ashtray here that looks like it's never been used, and the cigarette lighter. Glove box over here with the owner's manual in it. Very nice. Horn works. Turn the lights on for us. This thing is incredible. And again, it runs and sounds as good as it looks. Left-hand blinkers on and the brake lights are working. That's awesome. 14-inch SS wheels look incredible on it. All the chrome. The black striping looks awesome. Doors open and close great. Seats, door panels, everything on the interior looks immaculate. It's got cranky windows, so not mad at you. You just gotta crank them up and down. Oh man. And of course, because I'm outside, a bird pooped on it. I'll have to get that cleaned off. But that still doesn't mean that I wouldn't take it. And as you can see, the hideaway headlights work. And the headlights themselves, of course. Might be a little bright out here, but that blinker is blinking down there. Awesome chrome bumpers. I mean, this engine runs so smooth and quiet. From up front, AC isn't on right now, but all the accessories are spinning without issue. Nothing's wobbling funny. It's just very happy. Here, we'll try the other blinker. Right blinker works. Just listen to it though. It's a good sounding car. I mean, how could it not be? It's a big block. Blinker again down here. Headlights are functioning. Make sure they close. Let's turn the lights off. I heard them. Yep. Worked perfect. Awesome. Everything I touch on this car makes me like it even more than I did a couple seconds ago. There, now the idle's kicked down. Sounds awesome. The temp, you can see, is barely starting to move down there. Oil pressure still great, sitting right above 40. We got fuel, batteries charging. Just awesome. And I'm excited to have the opportunity to drive this one. So I think I'm gonna get Chris and take this thing for a spin.
We're sunk twice.
All right, we're in the Camaro.
Oh yeah, we are.
I'm ready. Oh, listen to it. Look at that sweet, sweet oil pressure.
And look, it's a cold start.
Yeah, temp hasn't moved. Battery's good. We got over half a tank, which should get us about half a mile. This thing was not designed for fuel economy.
It's a big block.
I'm joking, it'll get us further than that, but it is a big block, so. It's designed to go quickly.
And that it does.
And that's why it has the TH400 transmission.
Dun, 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 dun.
Stout.
Stout indeed.
Ready for all this power. Hey, horn works.
Horn works, but you gotta love a horn, you gotta love a skinny steering wheel.
Yeah, you do.
So different than the new cars now, they're so thick.
Yeah, I like the steering wheel in this. It's got the SS in the middle.
Oh look, you can see the blinker.
Nice. Nice gauges. You got a tack on that side, a clock, and then your speedo. You have a little blinky light down there. AM, FM radio.
Oh, no static at all on that FM.
Very nice. And your horseshoe shifter down here for the automatic. And faux wood.
Oh, I love faux wood.
Faux wood all over the dash. Gotta love that.
Oh, listen to the big block. She's warming up.
Yeah, she is. I love that hood. It's got a little cowl action going on.
We got hideaway lights, which I love.
And they work, which I love even more.
Yeah, which is neat and rare.
That is neat and rare. All right, here we go into the roundabout. Chris isn't holding back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a big block. Doesn't have
drive it like you mean it.
Doesn't have the handling of the Z28, but honestly, it handles pretty good.
All right.
For a car from the 60s, I'm impressed.
I love this car.
And it's Garnet Red.
It's Garnet Red.
Or Garnet Red?
Or Garnet.
Garnet?
Garnet.
I don't know. It's one or the other. It's red. It's beautiful.
Beautiful. It is just a nice. You owe me a Coke, but I don't drink Coke. Damn it. I need to start drinking soda. Just kidding. No, this is a beautiful car.
Yeah.
Look at the dash.
Yeah, with the black interior. Dashboard is black. Carpet is black, and it's in great condition. Back seats are black.
Just cruises down the road.
Headliner's black, also in great condition. Got the dome light there. Visors that don't droop in front of your face.
And who doesn't hate? I mean, I hate droopy visors.
I know.
And droopy the headliner. And this headliner's great.
Air conditioning.
Oh, good gravy.
I know. We have AC in this.
We do.
I don't know why I don't have it on. Well, there's the blower motor.
It's pretty nice. But yeah, just to see if it works.
It's working.
It's a good idea. It is working.
It's coming up.
Working.
This thing is currently, at time of recording, listed for $92,999, so $93,000.
Not bad.
Which, for a SS, a big block, numbers matching $396 as well.
That's right.
Camaro, pretty good.
I love it, man.
This thing is immaculate.
Temp's coming up.
Yeah, temp's starting to move down there, as you can see. Oil pressure still fantastic. Fuel has actually gone down a little bit.
Well,
yeah, battery's still charging.
It is a big block.
It is a big block. I wouldn't have it any other way.
No, honestly, I like this car off launch.
Oh, we have both side mirrors too.
Isn't that nice?
I didn't notice that. They're chrome.
Well,
which is nice.
Come on, chrome was cool in the old 60s.
I think it still is. But
it is.
We don't use it often enough anymore.
Yeah, that's for sure. Everything's very matted black and it's kind of grungy.
Bring back chrome bumpers. That's what I say.
Just rip right through these old plastic cars.
It's all because of pedestrian safety and stuff now. Because you want to get hit with a nice soft plastic bumper that's really high up so it doesn't take your legs out. But back in the day, they're like, nah, we're going to put bumperettes at ankle height and we're going to make them out of steel. just wipe them
those
out.
ankles
Just-
and shit.
Exactly.
And you know what? That'll teach you. Don't play in traffic.
Yeah, exactly. It's character building.
Oh, it sure is. And you're a character.
And this is a bean test.
Oh, you're darn right it is.
That's about to happen.
This is about my most favorite part of this little ride. Let's see how much gas is there. Okay, half a tank.
We're at half a tank. It's got beans. Oh my goodness.
Oh boy.
Hey, we're still at half a tank.
Now, for now,
I'm surprised.
It's moving to the left. Boy, oh boy, this thing wants to go.
It does. There's the temp still getting up. It's still staying cool though. It's cold natured. It's a big block.
It is a big
block. It take a while to warm up.
But it's still moving in the right direction.
Yes.
And now we're going to have some wonderful flybys.
Do we have power brakes?
I believe so.
I believe we do. I think they might even be front discs, but I can't remember.
I know they're powered.
I'll have to look when I get out of the car at our window sticker. Oh, power front disc brakes. I can see it. I'm reading it upside down and backwards in the window sticker.
Would you look at it?
I was correct.
Correctamundo.
And you need those when you have the power of a big block. Because this thing actually goes really fast.
Oh, it does.
Even by today's standards, I think this car's quick.
Oh, yes. And it sounds great, and it looks epic.
Yeah. Are you ready to do flybys?
You better be ready.
I'm ready.
You were born ready. Good luck. We're all counting on you. He knew that, though. Here he goes, ladies and gentlemen. The boy. He's breaking off, taking off at breakneck speeds, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look at it. Would you look at it? Whew! Man, that's fast. Wow. Man, that is a nice looking car that runs well. There it comes. That beauty of the SS. The front end with the bumperettes. Hideaway lights. That work. Man, that's talk about timing.
Oh, hello.
Timing's everything, buddy. You'll see it in the video.
This thing is staying exceptionally cool for a big block.
It is.
And it's running absolutely amazing. We did lose a little bit of gas on the flybys, but like I said before,
now?
it's just a little under half a tank. I mean, honestly, we still have plenty, but this thing is just incredible.
Did you put it in eco mode?
Yeah, I put it in economy mode. It only was running on 4 cylinders at the time. I'm kidding.
Didn't do that.
It doesn't have that. It runs on all of them all the time, and it sounds amazing. It looks amazing. It's red on black. It's got hideaway headlights. It's everything you want in a '69 Camaro. Are you ready to take it back?
Yeah, I guess.
Let's do it.